Good morning. This is Syed Abdul Karim. I am representing Batch 31 under the guidance of Professor Hemant SR. Today, I am going to explain about internship presentation. So the contents are about the company, work assigned, skills accomplished, and the internship certificate. The company which I have done my internship in is Digital Buzz Software. It is a service-based company which provides services like providing assistance like technologically or like designing solutions and developing web designs or any custom demands that the clients have. In this internship, I have worked on various programming languages like HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript. I've and which that those have helped me in completing a website, and I've also worked on developing web-based applications. Main highlight of this internship was developing dynamic web pages for the school registration. I was assigned to work on creating admin masterpiece, contact, student masterpiece, and index page. I've also worked on session storage and session variables. So the sessions variables is like when a page is inactive for like more than 5 minutes, like the student, teacher, or parent is idle like for a long duration, the session gets inactive and they have to log in again to their credentials. And the session storage is storing the data that is acquired during the session. I have also worked on MySQL Workbench. In that, I have written some queries and data creation, updating, and stuff like that. I have acquired a lot of technical skills, some of which are in HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, and MySQL. I've also learned how to pull data from GitHub, like from Git pulling, cloning, and then pushing the data. And in my non-technical skills, I have learned adaptability. Adaptability is in the sense like I have rapidly learned how to acquire new skills. I learned how to like flexibly work in an environment and like get accompanied by your fellow companions. I've also acquired a lot of communication skills. All the work that we have done, all the meetings, stuff like that, were online, and we have to sit down and we have to make group calls and talk to each other about the stuff we are doing, like how we are going to implement it and how we're going to push the code, like stuff like that. So while doing that, I have acquired a lot of communication skills, and I've also acquired a lot of problem solving skills which are like helps a lot when you're like together working as a team and solving a given problem. This is a snapshots of the web pages that I have made. So this is the admin master page. So this consists of a dashboard, the calendar, the task that has to be completed, and it has the UI elements, the components, extra pages, forms, data tables, and the charts. And we can also chat. We have like a chat room, and then we have Google Maps on it. So we can actually change the custom. We can customize this using the UI elements, and then we have a lot of things in the components, and we can also create forms which we can then later submit it to the students and the teachers. I've also made the contact us page. So this basically consists of the location and the mail, and you can also send some queries or messages if you want. So basically, we have the main college address and the secondary school's address, and we have like a mail and the number. So you can contact us, or you can also view from the Google Maps where exactly our location is. And you can also like you can write your name, email, and you can write whatever the feedback that you have so that it reaches to us. This is a student masterpiece where the students has access to the calendars, to the gallery, to-do list, the list that he has to complete, and he can upload files. He can upload multiple files too. Then he can do some editing over it. Then he can see the forms that he has to like submit. He has access to the data tables. He has the access to his mails. Then he can see the chats and he can chat to the teacher or the admin to the chat room. This is the intention certificate that I have got. Thank you, guys.